It's an option. It's not a
Please call the roll.
I can't talk if you're yelling. The mayor has just said that it's not going to be enforced until the courts have said it. The mayor, as the presiding officer.
I'm going to ask, listen, we've heard you. I'm going to ask that you hear the city councilors now.
How much money is it going to cost?
You wanted to know if you can't tap it.
All right, I'll just keep talking so maybe the people at home can listen. Because, as I said on the last item, that people are not coming to city council chambers because they are afraid of being abused. They're afraid
Sit down. This is your warning that if you continue to disrupt the city council, you will be removed and you could be arrested. This is your warning.
The Oregon Constitution says that freedom of speech and of expression should not be designed in every. The Constitution of the United States of Oregon says that every person shall be responsible for the abuse thereof. And what's happening right now is an abuse of free speech rights. Fish.
You, David.
You Daly.
Alright, the ordinance is adopted. Next
I want my vote back! Betrayal!
Item 256, authorize a contract with the lowest responsive bidder for construction of the Southwest 45th Avenue and Banno Creek Culvert Replacement Project.
No exclusion for the people! No exclusion for the people! No shame on you!
This was a second reading.
Shame on you!